Come on. Good girl. So we're going to do a little bit of traffic training today. And I'm a ways away from the road with baby girl. Good girl. You gonna go potty? No, leave it. Leave it. You better spit that out. Give me that piece of paper, little turkey. Come on, you gotta go potty? Says, maybe I gotta go potty. Maybe I gotta go potty. You gotta go potty? Let's go potty. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Hey, psst. Are you here? Look, good job. Good job. Good girl. Good girl. I gotta pay you for going potty on leash. Good girl. You got it? Num, 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 num.